Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to have a secret conversation on Messenger. Basically it's an encrypted conversation that allows you to talk to someone more privately and more securely. Basically giving you another layer of security if you want to talk something more sensitive and you're worried about talking it over the internet. So what I suggest you do is just talk in a secret mode on Messenger. So to do this, just open up your Messenger, open the chat that you want to talk with someone in secrecy, and click the little eye icon on the top. Here, when you scroll down, you have several options. We're not talking about vanish mode today, we're talking about secret conversation. So you just need to go to secret conversation, and there you go. And here, as you can see, it will say messages and calls are secured with end-to-end encryption. And that's it. You can also set up different settings, but I'll leave that to explore for yourself. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.